Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to merge or join video file using Filmora. How to do this? Let's start. Filmora video editor software should be installed in your PC or laptop. Open Filmora video editor and create new project. When interface of this software will appear, now select your desired file that you want to merge or join. Select your both file here. Click on open button. Your file will be imported in your Filmora video editor. Select a video file and drag them in below timeline. Click on the button that have more FPS. You can adjust your timeline by using these zoom in or zoom out button. Now select your second video file and drag into below timeline. Now no need to do anything more. Now just click on export button and write the name of this video file. Write anything that you want. On the second field, you can see the output path of your video file. After see the settings of this video file and click on export button, your file will be exported in your PC or laptop. These simple steps that you follow to merge or join video file in Filmora. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.